Good day. My name is Bruce Chadwick, and I'm with Prestige Tax Office in Bentonville, Arkansas. We have two locations in Bentonville. We serve all of Northwest Arkansas, plus across the country. I have clients as far away as North Carolina and Colorado, as an example. Because we can work remotely, we don't have to work in person. Whatever your preference is, we can handle. Technology makes things a lot easier today. Let me mention that Prestige Tax Office is a national organization. They have offices all across the country. I've belonged with them since 2008. It was formerly known as America's Tax Office, and there was a death therein, and they had to change the name to Prestige Tax Office. But we've been in business that long, helped hundreds of customers across the country and in Northwest Arkansas. So the reason I'm coming to you today is because I want your tax business. I want to do your tax return. I want to do your tax preparation. And I want to save you money in doing your tax preparation, not only on the preparation itself, but also I want to get you a bigger refund or a lower tax bill. That's what my goal is. Okay. So what's going to happen here? First, in order to entice you to come in the door, I'm going to give you a free estimate. You're not going to buy a pig in a poke. You're going to be able to walk in the door. I'm going to do the calculations, or we're going to do the calculations, and come up with a number. Show you what your tax return is estimated to look like this year, what your refund is going to be, or whatever might be the case, what your total tax bill is. And also we're going to come up with a free estimate as to what we're going to charge you to do that tax return. Now I want to back up here a second, because the other companies out there, the other national firms like Jackson Hewitt and let's say H&R Block, they don't operate the way we operate. We use a consultative approach, meaning we want to sit down and have a conversation with you about your finances, your taxes, what potential there is there to make changes today and going into the future. You know, if you're one of my clients, you're going to get information from me all year round. Furthermore, you're going to get information leading into tax season, showing you better ways to prepare for tax season so that you can get the best situation, best outcome. Okay? So you're into my office now. We've done your free estimate. We've shown you the results and so forth. And at that point, I'm going to give you a complimentary hotel discount card worth $200. This card is good for discounts at I think 400,000 plus different locations across the world, from names you'll recognize, like Hyatt Hotels, let's say Choice, yeah, they're in there, Best Western, DoubleTree, all the names that you've come to expect are in this group. Just about every hotel company in the world is involved in this program. So that's a $300 discount, hotel discount card, just for coming in and letting me give you a free estimate. By the way, there's no obligation for that free estimate. You don't have to do your tax return with us. If you decide after all that to do your tax return with us because of what we bring to the table, the consultative approach, you know, to make sure that we're looking at your return with your best interest in mind, and we're not trying to rush it. You know, not trying to knock the competition. I'm just going to tell you a couple facts here. When you deal with the big companies like H&R Block and Jackson Hewitt, Liberty Tax, they train their personnel to get you in and out of there in 15 to 30 minutes. That's all they want to spend on it, okay? We don't approach it that way. You're going to maybe be in my office longer than you want to be, or in one of my offices longer than you want to be, because we're going to make sure that we get all the information from you so that we can do the best job on your tax preparation and e-filing. We're an authorized IRS e-filer, IRS provider. So, having said all that, if after we go through all of that and you decide from wherever you're located in Northwest Arkansas or elsewhere around the country, I have clients, by the way, from North Carolina to Colorado. We can do it. We can do your tax return remotely or in person, whichever works for you. I like in person. I can get more information perhaps in a personal interview like that than I can over the phone. But we can do it both ways. You don't ever have to set foot in our office if you don't want to. But let's say we've already gotten through the free estimate and you go, yeah, Bruce, that's the bomb. Let's go ahead. You do my tax return and e-file it. Okay, we're going to take a very careful approach to doing your returns so that we can get you the best results possible. Best results in my mind are save you money, okay? Lower your tax bill and increase your refund if you've got a refund coming. Finally, we're going to triple check your return. You know, once we're done doing the work, the preparer is going to check it again. The owner's then going to check it, because all of our offices, by the way, are franchises and they're owned. The owner's on premises working. That's not the case with Hewitt, not the case with H&R Block. Okay, so once we've double checked it that way, the preparer and the owner, then it's going to go to our corporate office in Indianapolis, Indiana, and the experts up there, the EAs and CAs and so forth and so on, are going to check your return too to make sure that everything is by the book, that there are no mistakes and that nothing has been missed. Now, our software makes it difficult for us to do any of those things, but we like to be sure. Okay, once that's all done and we get it all triple checked and you authorize us to go ahead and file it, you've looked at it and said, yeah, that's it, I'm done, I'm happy with it, and we e-file it, and you pay us for our work, which is going to be the lowest price you're going to pay out there anyway, and we get it e-filed, they're going to turn around and give you your choice of one of 50 locations around the country and around the world for a 5-night free hotel stay, resort stay. 5 nights. 5-night vacation on the house. You will be responsible for the taxes. Taxes approximately $20 to $25 per day. So, I'm staying at a resort in Cancun and the price of the room is $300 a day, and my out-of-pocket's $20, $25. I think that's a pretty good deal. In fact, I booked a vacation for my wife and I to New Orleans, one of my favorite places, and I'm in a 4 or 5-star hotel down there. I'm not even going to guess what the price is per night, probably $200 a night minimum. And my cost for that 5-night stay down there is $23.25 a day. I'll take that deal anytime. So you can check into me further by going to our website, which is prestigetaxoffice.org, or you can go to my Facebook page, Prestige Tax Office. Probably, throw that in there and throw Bruce Chadwick in there and you'll come up with the right one. You can also call us. We'd love to talk to you. The direct line is 479-345-4499. You can reach me that way. Once you get on the website, you can also contact me through that. There's ways on there to get in touch with me. Facebook, there's ways on there to get in touch with me. Look forward to talking to you. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.